Hello students. Get ready. Start. During 1997 to 98, the Planning Commission has approved revised plan outlays at a lower level than the originally approved outlay in respect of 15 states listed in the attached statement. The main reason for revised outlays of these states being lower than the originally approved outlays has been the shortfall in achieving the projected figures of states' own resources. Under the existing guidelines of the Planning Commission, the normal plan assistance from the central government is given to the states to the full extent if the actual plan expenditure of the states does not fall below the originally approved/revised approved outlay and the expenditure for earmarked sectors/schemes does not fall below the approved outlays for the same. In case of special category states, they are allowed to use up to 20% of plan assistance to meet their non-plan gap, and cuts in central assistance are applied keeping in consideration the actual expenditure figures for annual plan 1997 to 98 for the states are not yet available. The question of imposing a cut in central assistance in respect of these states will arise if the total expenditure turns out to be lower than revised approved outlay or the actual expenditure for the earmarked sectors/schemes falls below the approved outlays for them. The outlays for annual plan 1998 to 99 are yet to be finalized. Para change. Whether government's attention has been drawn to the reports of the United States Department imputing and alleging glaring human rights violations in India involving poor prison conditions, arbitrary assets, pre-trial detentions, prolonged under-trial, legal and societal violence against women, female bondage and prohibition, including child prostitution, trafficking and infanticide, and child labor, and the details of the United States Department's report and the government's reaction thereto. Sir, the contrary reports of the United States on human rights are submitted to the United States Congress in accordance with United States law. Apart from criticism, these reports on India have regularly contained several positive references to Indian democracy, India's commitment to human rights, and the institutional safeguards available in India for the promotion and protection of human rights. The report for 1997 is on the same pattern as the earlier reports. It is not the practice of government to comment formally on these reports, which are prepared pursuant to domestic United States law. Thank you, students. Over.